Hi there, Brad with you. Let's have a look at the SpotClean Turbo Professional 1558H. The SpotClean Turbo Professional is one of BISSELL's most powerful portable carpet and upholstery washers. It's great to have at home to tackle any spots or spills or accidents on your carpets, rugs, fabric upholstery, car interiors, and even the mattress. In the box with the machine, you'll be getting a whopping 6 cleaning accessories, plus a full-sized bottle of the BISSELL Wash and Protect Professional formula, and a bag to store it all in. The machine will come with a 3-year warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee through BISSELL. The SpotClean Turbo Professional features a full-sized motor inside, which gives you higher suction, quicker dry times, and it allows you to use the full-sized bottles of BISSELL formula the same that you would with a full-size upright machine. The machine also features larger tank capacities, which means less emptying and refilling for you, and a 1.5 metre cleaning hose. Now let's show you how the SpotClean Turbo Professional actually works. First things first, let's make a mess. I have some hot chocolate here. Now, if this was to end up on your carpet, normally your process would be to get some sort of spray or foam and a whole lot of paper towel and just hope to blot it out of the carpet. But unfortunately, when you're doing that, you're just pushing a whole lot of it down further into the pile. And after a while, that milk, the dairy in there is going to smell and it's going to start rotting. So first thing we do is pre-treat. Any bad stains or pre-existing stains need pre-treatment. So I have some of the BISSELL Tough Stain pre-treat here. I'm just going to spray that over, and normally I would leave that for around 5 to 10 minutes and repeat the process should I feel the need to. Then I'm going to get the hose out from the side of the SpotClean, and I've filled up my clean water tank with warm water and some of the BISSELL formula, plus a little bit of OxyBoost in there for good measure. Now I turn the machine on with one button at the side. So now I'm going to spray the formula over the area. So I'm pressing the trigger in the handle, and I'm just going to liberally apply that formula and then start to massage it through with the brushes that are on the attachment. So make sure you're getting that formula right to the pad of the carpet. And now when I'm ready, I'm going to let go of the trigger and angle the head of the attachment down and apply a bit of pressure and come back in strokes towards me. So now we're extracting. We're pulling out the source of the stain, we're pulling out the odour. We're not blotting it, we're not pushing it into the pad of the carpet, we're pulling it out. So we're washing and extracting. So you can imagine how effective this will be in the car, on the mattress, on your couch, or maybe on those pet accidents that have happened from time to time on the rugs. So you just keep repeating that process until you're satisfied that you've pulled out the majority of the stain, and then just let that naturally air dry for around 2 to 3 hours, and you should be able to walk or use the area again. So once we're done, we just take this extra large dirt tank over to our sink and dump out the dirty water. All of the formulas with the BISSELL machines are biodegradable, so they're safe for pets, kids and asthmatics. And the refills of the BISSELL formulas, as well as the pre-treatments and the OxyBoost, are available in-store and online. So that's the SpotClean Turbo Professional 1558H.